guys, see you again. This is Candy from your lighting. Look, here is two sides of the magnetic lamp. Maybe you have a question, what is the difference, right? Actually, it is the similar but different size. Why this is different? Because the magnetic strip has two sides. One is 35mm and another one is 20mm. So there are different lengths to match different strip. Now you can see this strip is 20mm for this size. Okay, and this hand is 20mm to match this magnetic strip. Now you can see it is very beautiful, and you can change the angle, change to different degree. And this is 35mm, so this hand is not match. I can't put in, so I should change another shape to match this length. Okay, if you have any questions, just contact us. See you next time.